Hi, I'm Steve with Southwest Exteriors and welcome back to the Home Solutions channel. In this video, we're going to talk all about exterior paint and discuss an important question. Is all paint created equal? Let's find out the truth. Your home's exterior serves as the first line of defense against elements. Siding and exterior paint are crucial in protecting your home from wind, water, and weather. But not all exterior paint is equal. You might wonder why some options are more expensive than others. Let's explore the key differences between cheap and high quality paint. First off, cost. Cost plays a significant role in the quality of paint. High quality paint that protects and lasts will come at a higher price. Cheaper options may be tempting, but they often compromise on durability. Secondly, quality. Quality means when it comes to paint, cheap paint won't last or protect your home's exterior effectively. On the other hand, when you go for a high quality option, although pricier, it's going to offer superior performance and longevity. Third, durability. Durability is essential for exterior paint. You want it to withstand weathering, resist chipping, and peeling. While some cheaper paints may appear cost-effective initially, they're often going to lack the durability that you're going to need on the outside of your house. Fourth, color retention. Color retention is another factor to consider. Cheaper paints may fade quickly, and that's going to result in a patchy appearance on the outside of your house. High quality paint, when applied properly, maintains its color and resists fading. Number 5, longevity. The longevity of paint is crucial. High quality paint will last longer on your home, providing a durable and attractive finish. Cheaper options may be suitable for short-term fixes, but won't offer the same longevity. Choosing the right paint for your needs. Now that we understand the differences, which option is better for you? Let's outline your goals. Consider your budget, desired performance, and how long you want the paint to last. Those are the factors that are going to guide your decision. If cost is your primary concern and longevity isn't a priority, a cheaper paint may suffice. However, if you're a long-term homeowner and you're seeking quality and longevity, investing in a high-quality paint with professional application is the way you want to go. Finding the right paint and services depends on your project goals. Take the time to consider your needs, your budget, and desired outcomes. This is what's going to help you make informed decisions and ensure a successful project. That wraps up our discussion on the differences between cheap and high-quality exterior paint. Remember, investing in high-quality paint means investing in longevity and the beauty of your home. If you want more detailed information on any of the topics we discussed in this video, make sure to check out the article linked below. And if you're still hesitant to start your exterior painting project, check out the video linked above that outlines 3 reasons why you shouldn't wait any longer to start your next home remodeling project. Thank you for stopping by the Home Solutions channel, where we want you to have the look you love coming home to.